Rocket launching from Ted Kennedy Space Center here in Cape Canaveral, Florida. I guess it has something or around over 32 satellites on board. That is so cool. Obviously looks different on camera, but if you ever go to Cape Canaveral, try to plan it around a launch. You can hear the sound now. Try to zoom in. I can still barely see it, even in person. And now it's gone. Wow, it just left the atmosphere. Oh, there it is again, a little speck. That was cool. Alright, bye guys.